You're looking for a gift idea for your significant other? Or maybe for your dad with Father's Day right around the corner? Well, this video is for you then. I was asked to review a product which would make a great gift idea for a man and for a woman as well. So, for those who don't know me, welcome to the channel. I'm Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. So I live in the big city in Houston while we have a property, a homestead in East Texas. So you can see quite a bit on my channel, from homesteading, gardening, some cooking in the kitchen, homeschooling the kids, travel as well, a bit of everything we do in the family. So if that's of interest to you, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. But let's open that product here. So it is a Heat Coaster Pro full set. So I was pretty excited when I was to review it because it's warming, pretty much a cup warming set for your coffee or your tea, if like me you prefer tea. So let's open it up. First of all, the packaging here is extremely nice. It is a nice box, looks pretty professional for a gift. I like it. So let's lower you down here. I'm in the kitchen because it is kitchen related, you know. So this is the Ikago. I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, but this is what it looks like inside. So, and the product itself. So pretty nice. I like the packaging so far. I mean, this looks pretty, fancy, you know. It doesn't look like a cheap gift when you open it up. So if I remember, so I was offered it for free for the review, full disclosure here, but it is about $59, I think, $60 on Amazon, and they run some coupons. So this is the warming set at the bottom, and I believe this here has to be the cup with the straw, because I think it comes with a straw, and here is the pad at the bottom. So box is empty. Let's open up this here. Oh, that's the lid. That is the cup lid. Okay, very good. Nothing else here. Let me put back. So here is the cup. Let me open the cup. So all very well packaged, well protected. I mean, very professional. As I said, it doesn't look like a cheap gift at all. Huh? It's very well packaged, very nice. So here's the brand. Yeah, Ikago, I guess. Hard to pronounce. Little 100% handmade. Wow. I didn't know that. I didn't know. 100% handmade. Pretty good. So this is the set here that you can cover to keep warm. And here we have the base, which is the heater. All right, let me make sure I open it properly. Oh, the spoon is included in here. Okay. All right, so here's the heating pad with the plug. So I see a plus and minus here, which means you can probably decide on the temperature you prefer. Oh yes, and I see an additional little box at the bottom, which is the spoon. Very nice. And that is a nice little spoon as well. So that is metal. Pretty cool. And it's supposed to fit right like this here. So all written Ikago. So you've got the brand pretty much everywhere. And here is the set. So pretty neat. Let me, given it is brand new, let me clean it first, wash the cup, make some coffee, or actually, you know what? Let me make some tea. I'm a tea drinker here, and warm it up and see how it does. So here we are, all plugged in. I filled my cup up with some water, filtered water at room temperature, so not warm enough to infuse my tea. So here I have some green tea. I'm gonna need it to warm up, so let me try. All right, so you see here two temperatures. Now it's at 75. I can change here the temperature, increase the temperature I want it set on. So let's say 160 here. All right, let's wait and see. See, it's slowly warming up. It's already at 76. So maybe if I cover the cup, it's gonna help. Let's give it a few minutes. I'm gonna time it and see how long it takes to reach 160. So it's been 2 minutes here and we are already at 89, going on to 90. So it's warming up nicely. So it's been about 12 minutes here and we went from 75 to 127 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is definitely working and heating up the cup here. It is warm. I mean, I'm feeling the heat, not that bad on the cup, but yes, I'm feeling it warm here. It doesn't burn me, it's just warm. So obviously this is not made to heat up water from room temperature to boiling point. It's really made to keep it warm. I'm putting it to a bit of an extreme test here for you to see whether it's gonna hold or not. So it's been 20 minutes here and we are almost there. And I feel it is time, as you can see here, it's heating up, for me to add my tea bag. So see? You can tell it's warm, otherwise the color would not infuse this way. So let me close it and let it infuse a bit more, but we're really there. Very nice, perfect temperature for me to drink my tea right now. 155, 160, really nice. So if you're interested, oops, it is warm at the bottom. I feel it here, that's where it warmed up. Wanted to show the brand, but let me just turn it this way. If you're interested, you will find the link in the description below. It's available on Amazon. About $60 running coupons as well, so check it out. So obviously I push the system a lot here by heating it up. The cup is warm, but the handle is, I don't even feel it warm, so it's perfect. I really feel like it could be a great thing to have if you go to an office with a lot of air conditioning, you know, it gets really cold and your drinks doesn't stay warm more than 10-15 minutes. With this on, you can keep it at the temperature you want and enjoy it throughout the day, pretty much. And yes, you don't have to warm up the water here. It was really a stress test to see how it would do, and it did great. I mean, it warmed up that water in 30 minutes. So it's not bad given what it is, because it's not made to warm up the water. It's just made to keep it at your desired temperature. So I would definitely encourage, this is a great little gift for a dad, husband, wife. I mean, depending on the life you have, it's a handy thing to have to keep your drink warm. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. And it's been 5 minutes, I disconnected it. It is still warm underneath as well, not burning. It is warm as well here, not burning. I would definitely advise you to put something kind of like this one here, you know, like a cooking pad, something to insulate it from the counter wherever you are, because it does warm up a bit and could leave potentially a mark, especially over time. So yes, hot surface, do not touch. So that's something to be conscious of. You need to cover your counter and don't touch when it's heating up, especially when it reaches this 150 above degrees. It starts to feel warm.